Early as fuck, I'm up before the sun. Coffee in my cup, charts loading one by one. Ain't no time to waste, got my system down. Trading's what I do, about to get this crown. Screens all lit up, candles red and green. This my morning shit, know just what I mean. Sipping slow and steady, while I check the trends. Mad focus now, this is how my day begins. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Fuck the formal trading, that ain't how I roll. Take my time analyzing, that's how I get gold. Coffee getting cold, but I'm locked right in. Watching patterns form, know just where to begin. This ain't rocket science, just my daily grind. Same shit, different day, but I'm doing fine. Got my setup perfect, got my mind just right. About to make these moves, gonna do this shit all night. Sipping and trading, trading and sipping. Got my momentum, ain't no way I'm slipping. Yeah. Numbers and patterns, patterns and flows. This is my rhythm, everybody knows. Charts and coffee got me in my groove. This my daily move, yeah, I got something to prove. Charts and coffee got me feeling smooth. This my daily truth, yeah, I know just what to do. Making money moves, daily this shit feel from home. I'm getting cold, but I'm still in the zone. Making money move, yeah, this shit feels like home. Fuck sleep, I got my morning mapped, while these other bitches still trapped in the naps. Quiet house, screens lit up bright. My setup perfect, everything's right. First sip hits, mind gets clear. Another day to fucking dominate here. Watch the numbers dance and slide, while my coffee keeps me certified. Charts and coffee started right, yeah. Focus tight, mind in flight, mind in flight. Charts and coffee make it flow, yeah. That's the rhythm that I know. Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind, being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real one me. Early bird gets the fucking win. That's why I'm here where I've always been. Discipline hits different when it's dark. That's what sets the real ones apart. Their cup's cold, but I don't care. These indicators showing me where to place it perfect, time is sweet, while amateurs still catch disease. This game ain't for the weak or slow. Gotta be ready when it's time to go. Morning ritual got me trained. Others sleep while I maintain. Charts and coffee one more time, yeah. This rhythm's yours and this rhythm's mine, this rhythm's mine. hours hit me with a different kind of peace. While the world's still quiet, I find my release. Just me and these numbers dancing slow, building patterns in my mind as I go. Something special about this morning air, way before the day is time to care. And I keep asking myself as the minutes tick by, and I keep wondering why every morning feels so right. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? You asked me once why I rise before the sun. Said I'm chasing something that can't be outrun. It's not about the money or the gain, it's about finding clarity when things ain't the same. Each morning ritual brings me closer to truth. Like watching steam rise, I'm finding proof that patience builds more than just a perfect cup. It's teaching me when to hold, when to give up. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? Sometimes I wish you could see this morning meditation with me, where everything makes sense before the world gets intense. What's brewing in my coffee or my mind? What's brewing, leaving yesterday behind? What's brewing in this cup of time? What's brewing as these thoughts align? What's brewing me?
Catching out while the world's still asleep. First light hits my screen, I'm in my element. Fresh brew by my side, mind is confident. Reading these patterns like sheet music, feel the flow. Each candlestick painting stories as they go. Morning meditation with my market view. Catching waves of data, riding them with you. Some see just numbers, I hear the melody. Each trend line speaking rhythmically to me. Time signatures changing, support levels hold. Breaking down resistance as the day unfolds.
Charts and coffee, that's my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me.
Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear. Like a jazz musician, reading between the lines. Finding sweet spots where opportunity shines. Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market breathe, feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping. Watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated steps on when to make my move. Speed picks up, more intense delivery. Quick shifts coming, tempo changing fast. Gotta stay composed, make these moments last. Reading signals, catching every beat. Market symphony playing just for me. Mind state elevated, focus clean. This ain't just trading, this is art you're seeing. Charts and coffee, it has my harmony. Finding rhythms where others just see. Random moves and noise, but baby, can't you see? These patterns move like jazz, just trust in me. Moving like jazz, just trust in me. Want a ritual complete. Left my mark on these streets of green and red, but the rhythm stays in my head.
Morning comes, I think of you first. Chart lines dance while my coffee bursts. Been at this game since day one, teaching me patience like you always done. Charts and coffee, that's our way, that's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Numbers flow like the brew in my cup. Some days down, but we keep looking up. You showed me how to read these signs. Now every morning feels like yours and mine. Remember what you taught me about staying cool. When markets get wild, I follow your rules. Charts and coffee, that's our way. That's how we start the day. Got my screens lit, what you gonna say? Watch how the patterns play. Just you, me, and these morning routines. Building something real, building something real, know what I mean? Watch you rushing in the morning, trying to catch every move. But let me share something with you that'll help improve your groove. See, you're like fresh beans waiting to release what's locked inside. But patience makes the difference between success and a wild ride. Take it slow, watch it form. Just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. You check your screens at sunrise, numbers dancing everywhere. But shading's like my coffee method, it needs time and tender care. Temperature's important, just like timing in the trade. Too hot and you'll get burned quick, too cold opportunities fade. Take it slow, watch it form, just like steam rising up warm. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. I've seen too many burn out, trying to catch every wave, but the ones who last the longest know just when to stay away. So here's my morning lesson as I pour this cup for you. The market gives its gifts to those who know just what to do. Like coffee needs its moments for the flavors to extract. Your trades need proper timing before you plan to act. Let it brew, just like your morning cup. Just like your morning cup. Take your time, watch it flow, don't rush to drink it up. Don't rush to drink it up. Wisdom comes in drops, like coffee through the filter, finding patience at the top. Up before the rest of the block now, just me and my laptop. Tick-tock, haven't even brushed my teeth yet, but these charts ain't gonna read themselves, I bet. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Same way I read these charts all the time. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. That's how we make these moves round here. That's how we do. Red candles flash on my screen while I'm sipping something mean. Used to play it fast and lose, now wait for confirmation. That's the truth. Got a system, got a plan, no trading like a rookie. Understand, numbers dancing, let's stay cool, cause panic selling's for a fool. Some days green, some days red, gotta keep a level head. Deep breath in, let it flow. This ain't no casino, yo. This is just not checkers, fam. Gotta think before you slam. Markets opening in 5. Feel my focus come alive. Charts tell stories if you know how to read between the highs and lows. Been at this since way back when. Now I'm teaching you, my friend. This ain't luck, this ain't chance. This is morning market dance. Watch the steam rise, study every line. Every single morning, we do this right. Coffee in my system, mind getting clear. It's the only way we move from here. creeps through my window pane. Before the world wakes, I'm in my domain. Steam rising slow like thoughts in my brain. Watching lines that move like waves of grain. Every morning's got its own sweet flow. Some days fast, but mostly moving slow. Learning how to read which way things go. Finding peace in what these mornings show. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear, that's what I see. Fuck the noise, I'm focused on my path. Reading signals through the aftermath. Every line's a story that I grasp. Some shit falls, other things will last. Damn, I love these mornings by myself. Learning lessons money couldn't help. Every cup of wisdom brings me wealth. Beyond what's sitting on my shelf. Filtered through the static, find the flow that's magic. In the quiet hours, let it all unfold. Watch the truth get told. Patterns start to speak. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. That's what I see. In the quiet hours, patterns start to speak. In the quiet, when my mind is clear, that's what I see. La la la, patterns start to speak. When my mind is clear. La la la, in the quiet hours. First rays break through my window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen. I remain in this space where focus meets the mundane. Every morning, same position, same station. Building blocks of daily meditation. Clear mind as I track each indication. Patient breathing, deep contemplation. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In a rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. Lines intersect, I'll watch them play. Reading signs that point the way. Years of practice taught me how to stay cool and steady through each display. My fingers trace ascending paths while steam rises, making me laugh. This quiet hour holds its craft as wisdom flows through every draft. Each morning brings another chance to perfect this sacred dance. Some see chaos, I see design. Some feel rushed, I take my time. In these moments I refine every signal, every sign. Beyond the surface lies the art of knowing when to stop and start. Each cup of wisdom sets apart the discipline that fills my heart. Early hours hold the key to everything I need to see. In this space I'm truly free to let the knowledge flow through me. In the rhythm of my morning flow, let it guide me. Every pattern helps me grow. As above, so down below. In the rhythm, watch it move, finding truth in every groove. First cup steaming beside my screen. Charts and candles know what I mean. Trying to show you how I move. When markets open, got nothing to prove. Markets calling my name. Trading ain't just a game. Watch and learn, babe, watch and learn. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how to survive. Morning routine, let me show you mine. Building wealth one trade at a time. Woke up early, check the trends. Send your signals, watch you win. Ain't no sleeping when Asia trades. Got my system, got it made. Keep it cool, stay in the zone. Analysis on my phone. Trading life, it's all I know. Watch these profits start.
Listen up, I'ma break it down for you straight. Look, charts telling stories while others hesitate. RSI crossing NACDs looking clean. Building strategies like you ain't never seen. Resistance levels got me feeling so alive. Support zones when my orders through is sleep. Now I'm teaching you to swim in the deep. Trading wisdom, dropping knowledge every day. Show you how to read the markets display. No FOMO moves, we stay calculated. Success comes to those who waited.
Take notes while I demonstrate. Perfect entries, never too late. Watch how I navigate. Charts and coffee, that's my vibe. Teaching you how First light breaking through my window, cup in hand, just me and morning slow dance. Watching steam curl up towards the ceiling, each breath measured, each moment revealing. Early peace before the world starts spinning, just us here, no need for pretending. Screen comes alive with gentle blue light, your patterns speak to me, morning feels right. Time suspended in the sacred space, just learning your rhythms, finding my place. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Watching patterns flow, 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 flow with the morning. Ooh, letting wisdom grow, 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 grow with the learning. Each candlestick painting stories clear, teaching lessons if you know how to hear. Red and green dancing on my screen, speaking truths about what might have been. Patient moments turn to understanding, while my coffee cools, wisdom expanding. You show me past the peaks and valleys to reach in. Surely teaching discipline through each rally. In these quiet hours we share our dance, numbers flowing, giving life its chance. Steam rising from my cup, while these charts are lighting up, finding clarity in numbers, while the morning's waking up. Let it flow, let it breathe, morning wisdom sitting free. Let it rise, let it be, finding peace in what I see. Early morning stillness, just you and me. Coffee pot brewing, charts on my screen. Every ripple in my cup shows me something new. Just like market trends, they're giving me a clue. Watch it rise and fall, both seeming lines. Morning meditation sharpening my mind. I can read these patterns like they're speaking clear, teaching me the rhythm of the day that's near. Every line tells a story, every trend holds a truth, Sip and study slowly, that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. Numbers dance before me in the morning light, while While my coffee cools, I'm reading signs just right. Some days flow easy, some test my grace, but I keep my focus, set my own pace. Measure movements, calculated plays, learning from each pattern as the market sways. In this quiet moment, everything aligns. Peace in my cup, clarity in my signs. Ba-da-ba-dum, watch it flow. Da-dum, let me know. Sha-la-la, see it grow. Oh, 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 now you know. Every line tells a story, tells a story. Every trend holds a truth, holds a truth. Sip and study slowly, study slowly. That's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. Morning wisdom brewing, charts and coffee flowing. Patterns keep on moving. That's the way we're going. That's the way, that's the way we're going.
Early bird energy, just me and these lines. Numbers keep flowing, yeah, time after time. Steam from my cup like the thoughts in my mind. Quiet spaces where patterns align. Got that morning mindset locked and loaded. Screens lit up before the sun's posted. Brainwaves wavy, but I stay focused. This is how the day gets coded. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. Every move calculated and bold, building my vibe as the day unfolds. Breakfast with data, yeah, that's how I feast. Analytics hit different when streets still asleep. Got my system down pat, no need to compete. Just me and these numbers in perfect repeat. Morning ritual, got me centered and clean. Filter my thoughts like it's fresh caffeine. Stack my odds before others' routine. This quiet grind about to make me beam. Sipping slow, watching close, mind in the zone, that's how it goes. That's just how, that's just how. Every move calculated and bold, building my vibe as the day unfolds. First light hit different now. Found my rhythm, found my style. Morning moves, that's my profile.
I saw you trade, raw talent, unafraid, but clicking without a plan. Need to help you understand. Watch and wait, calculate, time to elevate. Learn, trade, win, break it down and start again. Trade, win, make way, getting stronger day by day, making moves the right way. Learn, trade, win, break it down inside again. Trade, win, make your move and then in the quiet spaces between each decision that you make, feel the pulse beneath the screen. Every choice, every stake. Now I see you've changed, mind and skills arranged, trading with the flow, everything you know, ready for the show. Watch your journey begin. Higher, higher, higher. Digital warrior, in sync with the rhythm inside. Every line slime dissolves into pure light, rising higher than before, breaking through what holds me down. Feel the pulse beneath my feet, let it lift me from the ground. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Clear as water, sharp as steel. Every signal I can feel, dancing through electric waves, finding truth in empty space, rising higher than before, breaking through what holds me down. Feel the pulse beneath my feet, let it lift me from the ground. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow, I know where to go. Moving with the flow, moving with the flow, I know where to Something shifts inside my mind. Numbers start to align. Can't explain this feeling now. Everything slows down. Moving with the rhythm pure. Finding patterns getting short. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves, time dissolves. Clear as morning, sharp as light. Every move feels right. Instinct guides me through the flow. Let the moment go. Every signal crystal clear. What I sought is finally here. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves, time dissolves. Let it flow through me. Let it show me the way. Let it grow in me. Let me stay in this space. Found the balance, found the way. Everything in play. Mind and body synchronized. Nothing left to hide. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. Time dissolves when I'm in the zone. Rising higher on my own. I send you this message straight from my mind. When everything clicks, leaving chaos behind. Feel the pulse in my veins as I start to flow. Time starts bending, letting everything go. Racing thoughts slow down. In the zone, time dissolves. Everything becomes clear. Each pattern I see brings me closer to you. Every signal I read tells me just what to do. Breath gets steady, heart beats in time as I rise through the layers. That feels fine. Watch the world fade out. In the zone,
Good morning, Discord. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Rumble. How is everybody this morning? Not sure my audio's right. Here we go now. Let me check it. All good. All right. Sounds good now. My audio sounds good, hopefully. Had to rearrange it here. Very nice, very nice. How is everybody today? Is anybody here? Is it just me and you, Werner? Where? If it's just me and you showing up, I mean, we could just do this in DMs and skip the whole party here. Gosh. Yeah, you'll be here regardless, so that's good. Even if we're just doing it in DMs, Werner, you'll still... I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Anyway. Hoping to catch something like a virus. Yeah. There we go. See what we can do. We gotta get outside this box. I hate these no top wicks, but it looks like we may get outside our box. What we can do here. This is the box. I don't know if you saw when I was drawing it up. This is the 0.5 of this wick. So that's why the box is exactly where it's at. You could play with it just a little and put it up here if you wanted, which is what some will do, I would assume. But for me, if you look at this 1 hour, that's exactly the 0.5 of that wick. I really like that area better to break because you know how much I expect 0.5s of wicks to hold. So that's why the box is a little down. Some people ask, they're like, why'd you pull your box down a little bit? It's just for an area like that. So in other words, a lot of people may put your support here, and my box is just a little below that, if you can see. Oh, you was looking at that. Good. Yeah, you saw it. So that's why it's just a little further down for me, just because I like to defeat that 0.5. And again, we already have, right? We've already defeated the 0.5. If it wasn't for the government opening, I'd already be super big into saying, hey, we're short. And I'm still not saying that's not the case. But the problem is, government opened, and if you look at Dixie, she's falling apart. It's super hard to short gold when you expect that Dixie's really going to fall. Oh, you had it lower where the wicks are? Yeah, and that's not a bad idea either. If you want to get down to where the wicks are defeated, you could even go as low as the structure here. Honestly, down to yesterday's high. It's not the wrong thing by any means. It's not the wrong thing. If you're down here, not the wrong thing by far. Not at all. There's nothing wrong with that. That's just making sure that you're definitely below. And when you see this play, let's just say, right, when we come down and we close below, my box, the chances of us closing below your line, if you're below the wicks, let's just say, it is pretty probable. It's probably going to be a close below both in order to make the move. Not going to lie. So there is it's probably not going to close below my box and right at your line, or below my box and above your line, right? So, I mean, it could, I guess, but 9 chances out of 10 it's not going. And then next thing comes into play, right? And here's why people kind of don't get the whole situation with how I trade this. So if this is where the longs come in at, this is why this works fine with me. But I've got nothing against how you did it either. If this is where the longs come in at, because these are the lows, right? Or you can even say, okay, well, SMC traders are going to come in where? Right here, right? Because it sweeps the lows. And the next spot they're going to come in at is where? Right here, the fill of the value gap, right? So we know these are the areas that they're going to come in long at. For that gap. So, if you were to come down and run into this, we already know what always gets respected. 0.5 of that gap. Else, the high there. So, if you came down, made a wick, right down here into that 0.5, into yesterday's high, that's still a perfect place for the longs to come in at. You get that top wick and that flip down, well, that's going to be perfect. Longs now are in from yesterday's high. We know that the 0.5 normally holds. You'll be closing below this. You get your top wick and your flip. Absolute beautiful. Essentially trying to play here. So, I mean, the way you're looking at it is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely nothing wrong with it at all. Talk about, see where that 0.5 is on a lower time frame of that. Right here where this doji came in at. If you paid attention to these dojis after the move up, you know, up with a doji in the middle, those areas hold a lot of times. Their long opportunities come up because that's structure for them. So this structure. So that's structure move off of that. Then same way with the way down. It'll be a green doji in between here. Love to see those. Traders love to see those. Of wicks or gaps or, you know, whatever you want to get into there. Well, here we are. Let's see what. Hopefully that makes sense. What do we expect here? We expect that the longs come in. And that's what we're looking for, right? Bounce on yesterday's high in the VWAP. Yeah. And that's what we're looking for. I mean, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for these longs to come in. So, hence the bottom wick. And to come back. Now, if you trade that, you can trade this. You know, Warner, if you want to trade this, but you have to get in and out quick. Super quick. If you look at the talk about this wick here. Try to hold it and hold for the lows. Tricky, but you can get in and get out of these trades if you're just looking for the reaction there to get in and get out. Have to be quick about it. About 50. Do this time and time again, right? If you really want to get into it. But completely up to you. Good morning, Adrenaline. Those are areas that you should see reactions regardless. Now does she close back inside the box? That's the question here, right? And it's for 15. Move up, top wick, flip to trade this wick on the 15. You want to enter off the 15? It's not the worst thing because you're going to have volume with you once it opens, right? What we can get here. It left. Adrenaline didn't care for it much. Must have been thinking this was a good long. Could be. Could be, guys. Take the long, that's fine. That makes sense, though, Warner, hopefully. You could take those areas if you want. You just want to, you know, get in and get out with, you know, a bit of speed if you can, or figure out a reason that you drop it, right? Our wick, top wick up. Over here, give me 1 second. I gotta answer this call. Give me 1 second, guys.
Charts light up my screen. Time moves differently in the sacred space where patterns race. Through my mind so clear as others disappear. When the world sleeps, my mind awakens. Every trade feels like meditation. I study every line. Trade, I make the moment mine. Win, this quiet room where wisdom blooms. Every candle shows the way this market flows. Signals getting strong, algorithms dancing. Diamond hands engage, no more romancing.
All right, I'm back, guys. Good morning, man of the woods. Sorry. Neighbor's having issues with his car, so in a delightful last 12 hours. Huh? All right, so this didn't close below your area, Werner. Closed below here. We didn't get much of a top wick. I'm not looking at this for a short yet. Would have got a super steep top wick. It wouldn't have been bad. Look, this is what I'm saying. If, Warner, right? If, and now closes this 30, and that was no different. You know what I mean? Up, puts on a steeper top wick, and then comes down. Closes down here. Wick. Down. And close. Nice 4-hour wick down there to put on too. That would be nice. Mm-hmm.
Together we rise up high, nothing can hold us down. Together we touch the sky, making our dreams come true. We learn together, the trade is won, victory has come.
Listen up, this ain't about me, it's about you. Every morning grinding one do, charts and patterns speaking truth, market wisdom flowing smooth, connected minds all breaking through, community that's tried and true, building wealth we're coming through, learn the game and follow through, that's what winners always do.
Small step, day by day, building strength, breaking waves. Together we rise up high, nothing can hold us down. Together we touch the sky, making our dreams come true. When you feel lost,
And I won't be here tomorrow, guys. We got to do a ultrasound and stuff tomorrow, so I'll not be here. There'll be no stream tomorrow. I don't know where Paul is, but Paul said something about doing a sim stream to where you sim trade everything. I don't know if anybody read it in trading chat, but I wouldn't be opposed to that if people would be, you know, would enjoy and want to see. I know that the turnout as of late hasn't been worth nothing, so wouldn't make no difference to me if that's something. When Yep. Yep, for sure, Warner. Yeah, I just, if he thinks that that's something that would actually work and go over well or whatever, you know, I'm all for hopping over and doing it that way. If that's something that everybody would want to do or something, I don't know. It's just something that he was talking about in the live trading chat or in the trading chat. I don't know exactly basis of it or whatnot. I know you were having a conversation with him about it, but I mean, that if somebody wants to do something different, you know, everybody's getting bored of what we do here or whatever, let me know, guys. However we can change it up, because you know, really not many people are showing up and there's not a lot of, you know, the whole point of doing this was so that everybody would show up and interact, and I feel like that's kind of faded for whatever reason. Whatever would make everybody, you know, more active and interactive and everything else. That's fine. Maybe I need to talk about emotional support. I don't know. It just, I mean, have you noticed the same thing? Man of the Woods, you? I don't know what, you know what I mean? I put a link to your channel in my bio this week in Discord. Wish I had thought of that a year ago. Oh, thanks, man. Thanks. Like I said, I don't know. I don't know what's happened, and I mean, it's not that I don't want to come, you know, it's not that I don't want to show up for the streams or whatever. I'm just disappointed that it seems like, you know, even 6 months ago, we were all here, we were interacting, chat was full of stuff, we talk back and forth. I mean, I know you guys probably think the same thing, and now it's just nobody's showing up. It's just us. I mean, Man of the Woods, you show up every single day. Werner, you show up every single day, and I appreciate you guys. I do, but I hate that there's nobody else. You know, Paul's here most of the time. Don't get me wrong. No. No, it's not. It's not that. It's not the new people. Man of the Woods is not that. I just wish that I never know what to say. Like, I'm just sitting here. Right? I don't really care about the new people. Don't get me wrong. It's just not my fault that I don't show up. Yeah, I just don't understand why people don't show up. It's not the new people. You know, it used to be that we had Sonny on here and Z would show up now and again, and you know, Paul was here every day, Aiken was here every day, Dennis would show up, Crown would show up, PD would show up. I mean, and then there was a list of other people that were in and out all the time that, you know, would show up sometimes and not show up sometimes. But you understand what I'm saying? People were interacting. You know, I remember times when I could barely talk on the mic because people were talking on top of each other, which is great. It's not that big of a deal. I would rather have that than what we have. We had almost a full house yesterday. Yeah. Okay, well, maybe I just show up on the wrong days. Hey, Crown. I was just talking about you. Well, not really, but I was talking about the fact of people being here. Glad to see you're here. I didn't think you were, honestly. Yeah, I don't know what's different. I'm glad you almost had a full house yesterday. You've been here, Crown? Okay. I just hadn't seen you interacting. I'm glad you're here. I appreciate it. I feel like, glad there was a full house yesterday. I don't know. Maybe it's me that maybe I'm getting everybody out of here, I guess. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I'm running everybody off. Maybe if I didn't show up, we'd have a full house. Well, you aren't smelly. I mean, I don't know. It is kind of funny if there was a full house yesterday. Maybe maybe that's the issue. Oh. I would rather everybody be here and, you know, showing up and interacting and everybody having a great time and everything going well, if that's true. I mean, I don't know. For that's what I built, you know. That was my whole vision in building the community, I'll be honest with you. You were here, there was only Paul, Mr. Y, and yourself? Yeah.
you're crying on Reddit about your bad decisions. Can't handle the pressure, better log right out, cause I feast on bitches with emotional doubt.
Guess we'll see. I mean, if things roll better when I'm not here, that's fine. I'd rather them roll better, I'll be honest with you guys. Tell you that. I mean, that was the whole vision for the community, I'll be honest with you. I wanted all you guys to be able to trade together and conversate and learn from each other and everything else. That was the vision. It really wasn't a vision of, hey, I need to do all this for everybody. It was coming together and being able to be a community together. So if we achieve that, that was the vision in the first place. So, honestly. That is great. Wifey used to trade it. Not much. She doesn't do any trading anymore, but yeah, maybe they think that. I don't know. Maybe, Werner, maybe. I don't know. I just know that I was out this week, Wednesday and obviously tomorrow. Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, it was just me and you. I mean, me in the woods, but I'm talking about in the Discord. We were the only two for all. At one point, I think Tuesday, I believe, the very end of the stream that Aiken popped in. I think that was Tuesday.
In this money mission, watch and learn. First time I stepped in, feeling fresh and free, thinking trading's easy, that ain't meant to be. Paid my tuition through the losses, yes indeed, till I found my family in the LTW team. What you know about patience when the pressure's high? What you know about staying cool when profits fly? Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, pure precision.
What can we do?
Precision plotting, properly positioned. Pattern recognition, got my mind conditioned. Moving militant with market mathematics. While amateurs panic, we stay systematic. Breaking barriers with calculated actions. Fast-paced phrases, Messi's price reactions. Stacking profits like I'm stacking syllables. Critical thinking keeps us invincible. Discord army, we stay sharp and ready. Base camp building, keeping movement steady. Market manipulation can't defeat us. Teacher taught us how to read and beat this. You know about patience when the pressure's high? What you know about staying cool when profits fly? Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, pure precision. Slow it down, let me break it to you plain. Every loss we take becomes a lesson gained. Patient players prosper through the market pain, while others fold we maintain, remain, retain. Technical precision, timing's everything. Moving with conviction when the bells ring. Market master making major moves. Building better patterns, breaking through. Fast flow matches how the price be running. Always analyzing, never front running. Discord warriors drop the wisdom daily. Learning lessons, living life less lazy. Strategy stacked and system set. Profit protected, no room for regret. This is warfare waged with wisdom wide. Trading trenches, take the win inside. Watch me work a wicked word selection, while my wallet shows the win collection. Learn to trade and trade to win. That's the path we've always been. Market mavericks, mind the movement. We mastering this money mission. Learn, trade, win. That's our vision. Watch me calculate, calibrate. Precision's what I demonstrate. Cold blood pumping, mind state, elevate. Y'all ain't ready for what I create. Calculated killer, ayy, market thriller. Play it smart, get it harder. Solid starter, calculated killer. Facts, never bitter. Make it hard, hit the target. Perfect Parker, yeah. Precise moves, never lose, that's the protocol. Clock ticking while I'm picking out the perfect call. Ain't no rushing when I'm crushing competition to the wall. Stack attacks, facts match, watch me break the fall. Quick switch, flip, script, tips, rip strips off the chart. Smart part, hard art, tear the game apart. Been my timing since the day that I would start. Now they all follow when I apply my perfect mark. Strike, right, time, right, mind, take, shine, right, right, now, fight, right, height, right, light, slay.
Definitely brought some longs.
Numbers dance before my eyes, while profits show me love. Analytics in my veins, I'm strategic when I cut, push and pull the perfect tool. I know just when to strut. Methodical, analytical, statistical drive. Critical, pivotal, individual vibe. Watch and wait until it's time to come alive. Then I strike with perfect time and watch me thrive. Slow it down, let me break it to you clean. Everything I got I earned through discipline. Patience is the power that'll make you mean. Weigh and watch, then strike, that's how we win. How we win, how we win, how we win. Back up in it with the quickness, witness this precision. Split second decisions, crystal clear vision. No permission needed for this demolition. Competition wishing they can match my composition. Tactical, practical, mathematical mind. Strategical, radical, handling time. Watch me stack it, pack it, crack it, then I shine. Perfect pattern, matter of fact, I'm too refined. Calculated killer, market thriller. Brand smart, get it hard. Solid starter, calculated killer. Never bitter, make it hard. Hit the target, perfect Parker. Game over, game over. Hey. Calculated, game over. Right, take another candle burns. You ready? Let's go. Jumped in the trade.
Yep, it is. It is just.
Now it's kissing the sky. Fake out drop, yet a stop was mine. And you be moving like it's lost his mind. I got zones, I got plans, I got patience in my hands. But it don't care, it's one sight. Green 1 minute, then full red flag. I scream at the screen, but it don't scream back. This mark is a beast and it's on the attack. One false move and you're tossed in the fire. But I'm built for this, pain fills my desire. And you're ruthless, wild like a flame. Breaking the rules, playing no game. I rise, I fall, I bleed, I crawl. But I still come back and I give it my all. No mercy, just movement, cold and precise. You blink, you're gone, pay the trader's price. Chasing the edge, I'm riding the storm. In this chaos, my will is reborn. I've been wrecked, I've been played, but every loss is a blade. Sharper now, I don't flinch no more. This ain't luck, it's a mental war. I won't break, I bend and I
Woke up at 6, charts lit like a flare. Coffee in hand, I take my trader's chair. NQ on the screen, moving like it's on fire. Up 30 points, now we're spitting out wires. Wicks like whips, slapping dreams on the low. Thought it was a breakout psych fake show. Liquidity hunting, stops getting bled. It pumps like a king, then dumps you instead. And you be wildin', wildin', heart rate rising. One tick in, now I'm analyzing. Breakouts break me, fake out shake me. This ain't a market, it's a straight up daydream. Me wild, who be wildin', fast like lightning. Slaying my stops, man, this chart's exciting. You think you got it? Nah, it's a trap. Welcome to the jungle, better check that map. Indicator climb, bro, I'm out of clues. EMA's drunk and the RSI snooze. Price moves clean, that's a straight up myth. It jukes left and right, now you're off the cliff. The algos dance, tick for tick precision. Retail guessing while they making decisions. My setup's fire, but the market don't care. It flipped the whole zone like truth or dare. And you be wildin', heart rate rising. One tick in, now I'm analyzing. Breakouts break me, fake out shake me. The market is a straight up daydream. And you be wildin', fast like lightning. Slaying my stops, man, the chart's exciting. You think you got it? Nah, it's a trap. Welcome to the jungle, better check that map. I'm scalping ghosts, I'm trading smoke. NQ's laughing, man, this ain't no joke. But I'll be back with a plan so tight. Cause even NQ gotta sleep at night. So if you ride with NQ, better bring your A-game. Respect the beast or it'll burn your name. Volatile dreams in a pixel storm. This market's chaos, but it's how legend.
That would make sense. Absolutely crazy. Down further, honestly, she could go up and test the weekly open.
Shadows creeps in the night. Gold got a mind that don't act right. Fake calm, but it holds that rage. Sleep on it once, now you trapped in the trade. Flight to safety or panic play. One headline hit is a runaway. I'm up my levels with blood and care, but it still breaks hearts like it just don't care.
Gold got mood swings jumping out the gate. 1 minute smooth, next ceiling fade. Quiet like a whisper, then boom with a bang. Breaking all structure, killing your plan.
Max accidentally showed up. Hey, Max. Oh, you're on YouTube? Okay. He popped in and rolled out. I was like, what's going on here? Hour's gonna be next, guys. That was the 4-hour wick that
just a chart, it's alchemy. Turn your peace into panic. That's gold.
move I take, gold in my favor. Patience paid off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't need no savior. I'm the one, go feel the labor.
They rushing loud, I'm moving silence. Gold made me rich off pure compliance.
Do we want a way, guys? And say, everybody answer me, right? Like somebody answer me anyway. Do we want a way that we can still live stream on the days that I'm not here? That's something that'll be beneficial.
Every move I take, gold in my favor. Patience pay off, now I taste the flavor. Profit so clean, don't need no
Like
savior.
YouTube, Rumble,
One, go feel the
on a way that live streaming can still be possible when I'm not. That something that would work. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Crown. Yeah, something to where. Yeah, somebody can take care of it. Yeah. Yeah, somebody to stream here on. Yeah, somebody to stream on behalf of me, I guess. Yeah, whatever. I mean, somebody to stream while. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah. Yeah, I know he shares on Discord. I'm saying, do we want a way that you can still do live streaming on YouTube and everything? I don't know if he can actually do it or not do it. I'm not sure, but if he can. But if not, I'm sure I could get my son to set it all up. If he can do it, and then he can just coordinate with Paul. Just to do the, my son could just do the, actual live streaming side of it, if Paul doesn't know how to do it. Yeah, I know. I'm just asking you guys if it would be something that would be beneficial. Just be interested in the live stream still running. That be something that would be helpful or not.
Trying to figure out the rules, but what you see
Yeah.
and what it seems. I got the keys to everything. Charts don't lie, emotions die. When you follow what you know. Charts don't lie, emotions die. Let the numbers guide you slow. Charts don't lie, emotions die. Steady hands will make it grow. Charts don't lie, emotions die. That's the game I'm gonna show.
Share my view. I'm here in Discord. Watch the stream on YouTube. You don't share. Audio and video on YouTube is a problem.
Keep my feelings locked away, that's being smart. Every morning grinding, watching live events. Nothing left to chance, this ain't no romance. Build it brick by brick, no shortcuts here. Patience is the path that got me in the clear. They all wanna know how I stay so cool when the pressure's high and the stakes are cruel. But I learned the hard way, yeah, I paid my price. Now I'm sharing wisdom, hope you take advice.
That's an advantage too, because Paul can do both. That's the issue. I know a lot of people have problems with Discord. Language gets out of hand, then YouTube doesn't post what I type. A lot of you can't join on Discord, and that's why I'm asking you this. A lot of Discord issues.
Watch and learn the game, it took me quite a while. No more rush decisions, no more foolish plays. Calculated steps through all these market waves. When they panic sell, I keep my head straight. That's the difference between good and being great. Sometimes I sit back and think about the lessons
Just an option, guys. That's what is. If we could figure out something like that to where I can keep the streams up and going, if people continue to, you know, people are going to be here to participate, then maybe I can figure out a way to keep the streams up and going. How would it work? Share post. Yeah, it'd just be the same thing. Yeah. He can, I mean, if he wants, but like I said, always maybe hoping that everybody would just talk amongst each other. And the thing is, like Man of the Woods said, you know, there's a fire fills for a day. No. Like Man of the Woods said, you know, there's a lot of people that were here yesterday and I wasn't here. And I just hate that everybody's showing up, but there's no stream or anything else if everybody wants to interact and everything, because some of the people like Max can't come on Discord, can't do this, so that's why I'm asking. If it's not beneficial, you know, not worth doing, I guess. But I was just thinking that if it was beneficial, it's something that we could probably figure out some way to work our way around if need be. But if it's nothing that matters, then waste time with it. I mean, don't matter to me either way. Either way, unfortunately, I have to do the things that I have to do, and I can't be here, you know, as much as I was before. It's a problem. There's nothing I can do about that. But make it as good for everybody else as I can, even though I can't be here, right? Yeah, I guess we could do that. I was just figuring out to ask here, Warner, because this is where everybody for the live stream is. Like I said, Max, people like Max that can't get on Discord. Crown's never on Discord, I don't think either. Crown, you always watch from here, yeah? I believe. A lot of people aren't interacting just because the live streams aren't up and running. Yeah, I'm wrong. I'm just trying to figure out what's best for everybody, honestly.
Moment of truth, charts about to move, hands steady now. This is what I do. I study hard, make the trade, pay my dues every night. Watch me while the whole world fades away.
Yeah, I already know, Crown. That's the thing. A lot of people, you know, aren't in the Discord and they're not active in the Discord, and there's nothing wrong with that. Like, that doesn't bother me either way. It doesn't matter where everybody's active at. In my opinion, I don't care where they're active at. It's just, I hate for people to be missing out. You know what I mean? Because everything doesn't stay like it does when I'm here. Maybe it's not an issue. It's my whole thing. I want everybody to be able to interact and hang out and do whatever, regardless of me being here or not being here. Yeah. Knowledge is the currents more than money and wealth. Watch me stack my wins like it's mathematics. While they moving sloppy, I stay calculated. Learn, trade, win. That's the way. Every day we begin. Stack it up. Learn, trade, win. Never stop till we all eating good again. Beat on
Aprendí las reglas, now I break the code. Desde abajo hasta arriba, that's how the story goes. Lost 100 times, but I'm still here standing. Cada pérdida taught me new understanding.
Point in time, you have more important issues to take. I mean, that's kind of the problem. That's kind of the problem. I've got a lot that's going on, and kind of where the issue is, unfortunately. So I can't be here as much as I would like to.
Yo, what's happening?
Hey, Paul. Just talking about you.
Oh, good.
He said good. How do you know it was good? I might not have been talking good about you.
That'll be okay too.
No, I'm only kidding. No, I was actually sitting here talking to everybody about if some of the stuff's fell off, and I don't know if you've noticed, but like seems like people don't show and things kind of fell off, and I didn't know if it was a lot to do with, you know, not live streaming all the time, right? So I didn't know if live streaming was something that, I mean, and Max came in and said he can't join on Discord. Crown says that he's back and forth on Discord because they're on YouTube now. We were just talking about how a way to possibly figure out a way to keep this the live stream going, and even I saw something with that you were talking about in the trading chat about like doing sim trading or something or another, and I didn't know if that was something that we should integrate in and maybe try to, you know, do in the live stream or what. So I was just conversating, seeing what everybody's thoughts were. Obviously it's largely based on you and your thoughts because you're kind of the guy who does everything when I'm not here, so that's why I was talking about you.
Sure, all I do is turn up on the Discord and share a couple of charts. That's really all my input is. Like, you know, when anybody wants to come along, it's always the same 3 or 4, 5 people all the time. But yeah, anybody that doesn't come to Discord, I'm sorry guys, you're missing some amazing information. I'm working with Josh Sheem here on something as well as trading away. So yeah, Discord's where it's at, guys.
Yeah. Well, but the thing is there's some of the people that don't, like Max, he can't use his computer won't run Discord, so he can only show up when we come for the live streams. Rounds back and forth. Hey, Cowboy. I don't know who you are or if you've been here before, but hey, either way, and stuff like that. So I was wondering if it would be advantageous to run the live streams as well when I wasn't here. That's what I was trying to wrap my head around. Figuring that out would be something that would be advantageous to everybody or not. That's something that everybody would, you know.
Yeah. No, I understand.
If you, I mean, I don't know if that's not. What do you think?
It's hard to call reality. I'm a Discord man, so I don't find it hard.
Yeah.
Worry about it. Discord does all of the bits and pieces. Sorry for people that it doesn't, but for the way that myself and Josh Sheeman and the rest of us work, it works well. But I understand what you're saying. You want to have the visibility of the YouTube as well, because it will, like you said, people just drop in and drop out. That's definitely a good way for advertising the Discord. But sure, I mean, at the end of the day, man, you've got your own life to live as well. So, you know, if there's no live stream, there's no live stream. What can you do?
Well, that's how I looked at it. But I worry now that people aren't, you know, interacting as much as should be because I'm not on the live stream most of the time. I don't know. I can't quite figure it out, but we've really fallen off. Yeah, Cowboy, we trade mainly gold and NQ. So if nobody thinks it's an issue, then we'll just, I mean, that's what Werner said. He doesn't find an issue. He says we just continue on how we've been doing it. All I was saying was if it was an issue for others, maybe we should change what we're doing. Maybe not. Maybe it doesn't matter. I don't know. You all tell me. I'm just trying to do what's, what everybody wants to do. What we can do from there, like I said, if everybody thinks that, being on YouTube, other people will show up. Does Man of the Woods, do you come onto the Discord, or do you only show up when it's on YouTube?
He's on Discord all the time.
Okay, he's on Discord too? Okay.
We're mostly text, though. He's working, so we are sharing messages and charts for the vast majority of the day. So he is very much engaged as well.
Max, have you tried, like Werner says, have you tried the web then? Maybe we try to figure out a way around it that way then, rather than doing... is anybody solely on YouTube? I know Crown. How about you? I just know there's going to be a big... The reason that I'm saying all this stuff, guys, is because I'm going to have a big break after Thanksgiving. So if we need to do something, I want to make sure that we get whatever we need to get done and transition however we need to transition before Thanksgiving gets here. Because I'm going to have a big break until the first of the year, so it's only going to be you guys here. I'm not going to be here a lot, guys. I'll be 100% honest with you. And I just want to make sure everything's intact and nobody's disgruntled when I'm gone for a break.
I wouldn't worry about it. Reality, we're all adults here. You've got a unique life situation going on, and everything will eventually settle down. So, if the streaming's interrupted for a month or two, so be it. And anybody that wants to be here will come to the Discord. Like I said, it's the Discord is where a lot of stuff happens as well. Obviously, all the alpha knowledge is on here, but all the rest of the stuff then we take in and we process it and try and add our own spins into it on the Discord itself. So, people are missing an opportunity, but I do appreciate it. It doesn't work for everybody, but it works for most from what I see.
Very true, very true.
So I wouldn't worry too much about everybody. Reality, I'd worry about yourself and your family first. And so we will we'll manage here. Don't you worry about that.
I know. I'm trying to make sure everybody's good as well. Like I said, that's the whole reason that I'm on all these things. You realize I started on Discord, Paul. I didn't really need to be on any of the rest of them. I could have just stayed on Discord and we could have stayed that way, but it seemed like everybody thought that was the way to go. That's kind of why we do it all. It's bad, right? Everybody said, oh, well, you got to do YouTube and you got to do Twitch and you got to do Kick. And I was actually the one that came up with Rumble. That was only, you guys already know. That was because I wanted to make sure that I kept everything. I want to make sure that if we lost.
Yes, Rumble.
Yeah, that Rumble would still be there. That's the only reason that I did Rumble, so we didn't lose all the videos, so we lose all the content that we had. But I'm not going to tell you that I don't kind of appreciate the days sometimes, especially when I got all this going on, that it was just a Discord thing and we didn't have all the rest of it. Just came on Discord. It was super simple. There wasn't all much easier life. But yeah, that's what we were talking about, Paul. That's why we were talking about it. I just didn't know. I didn't know if it'd been, if it'd be something that, people are missing out on or anything else. I'm just trying to. You already know. My vision with the community was always the same thing. I was hoping in the very, that everybody would be together, trading knowledge, learning from one another. And it doesn't matter to me whether we do it on, just Discord or just Video Ninja or just YouTube or all of those combined plus 10 others. just as long as everybody gets to achieve that goal. I don't care how we do it, because that's, at the end of the day, that's all I was hoping for. I was hoping that everybody could come together. Everybody tells me trading is the loneliest space in the world, and I just don't believe that. You know, I think that it shouldn't be that way. That was the whole point, is everybody could come together, learn together, and, you know, more brains make more knowledge, and people can learn more things. And that was, you guys already know, that was my goal in you know, the whole reason that we started the Discord way back years and years and years ago was exactly that. It was a place where everybody could come, trade, and learn from one another and share ideas, and, you know, better themselves as traders, essentially, and everybody be profitable. I mean, that's really all I want to accomplish. So whatever we have to do, you know, for everybody to accomplish that is all I'm looking for, whether it's, you know, whatever works. So that's my thing on it. If Discord's the best way and everybody can do it all that way, guys, that is absolutely, I would rather I'd rather do it that way myself. Sadly, all my stuff works on Discord if we use just Discord, I think.
Yes.
The problem is it won't work if I'm running OBS and live streaming on YouTube and live streaming on Rumble and all these different things. It doesn't work to share the screen on Discord as well, and that's the problem. So hopefully everybody kind of understands that. So if after all this is over with, or you guys feel now that Discord's a better way, I don't mind, once we come back the first of the year, just running Discord too, and not even doing any of the YouTube, Rumble, and everything else stuff. It don't matter to me now, guys, if that's, to be honest with you.
Well, I would say make whatever choice works for you, reality. We're the ones benefiting from your generosity and your time. So, again, you make the choice, and we will be here whatever way, one way or the other. Like I said, don't bet much for everybody. You have your own life and everything else, and you're doing us, like I said, a massive favor here. Be on, you've created a great wee community. So, whatever has to be done, like I said, real life has to come first.
Yeah. I try to make it to where it's good for everyone. I mean, I don't know what the best thing is, but you already know. I've tried to do everything to make it as good for everybody as we can. So I don't know. Yeah. Well, Paul is not going to be substitute teacher. Paul's always. What are you talking about? He is the teacher. What are you talking about, substitute teacher? What are you on about, Crown? No, Paul's still here, Crown. That's what I'm telling you. But the only thing that I was trying to discuss is if it was better just to run live streams the whole time I was apologies. He's the teacher. Yeah, you better apologize. You're gonna be in trouble.
I'll strike that's faster. Don't you know?
No, I was just trying to figure out if it would be better to do YouTube too, and I was saying maybe we could figure out some way to do that as well. But it doesn't matter either way. Paul's still gonna be here regardless. I just didn't know if you know, trying to figure out a way to live stream as well when I was gone was, you know, beneficial or not. But if it's, you know, if it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Like I said, it makes no difference to me. I'm just trying to do whatever works best for everybody else. That's all. That's all, guys. And I'm yawning. I'm sorry. I'm tired.
You got me yawning now. Love how that works.
I knew what I was doing. I would have helped out. You can help out. What are you talking about? All you gotta do is show up every day and conversate with everybody. That's all anybody does. That's it. Yep. Just learn from one another, trade together, have a good time. That's helping. That's the whole thing. That's all we're trying to accomplish. That's the only goal, crowd. We just don't want to see Crown sitting in the corner with a laptop in a dark corner. All you can see is his face glowing in the laptop screen, taking bad trades. So. That's all we're trying to make sure don't happen.
Yeah, I don't know how people actually trade on their own, to be honest with you. That thing about it being the loneliest game, it's the loneliest game if you allow it to be. If you don't have a community around you, I don't think I wouldn't be able to do this without this Discord. I'm being honest, having just the company, the knowledge, being able to talk to somebody all day, every day about what we're doing. That aspect alone is invaluable. Like I said, that social side of it is that's just, it's part of the game. You can manage to find somewhere where you don't feel that way. It'll make a wild difference to your trading.
Yeah. I agree with that too. Like I said, just if anything else, just having somebody else see the same thing or think the same thing or give input is, a great thing.
I don't know how people can actually do this job on their own. I mean, I'm here, 12, 14 hours a day. Jesus, imagine sitting here. With nobody to talk to, nobody to bounce ideas off, nobody to talk about trade ideas, all that kind of stuff. Yeah. I probably wouldn't do it. If that was the case, I'd have been bored out of my head long before now. I entered a trading view contest reality.
Yeah.
It popped up and I just thought after the Ninja Arena one, I thought I'd give this one a rattle as well. The only problem is it's you have to put in your entries using TradingView, and it was taking me nearly a week to try and figure that out because it's so unintuitive.
Werner said he doesn't like it.
No, I definitely do not like the way that they do the entry. Is this TradeOvate? Is that what they call it whenever you use TradingView to enter your trades?
Well, no. TradingView has its own system. TradeOvate, when you get TradeOvate, it's its own software, and then you can sign in with your TradeOvate credentials, and you can use TradingView as well. So there's a lot of people who got TradeOvate accounts back when, and the reason that they did that is so they could trade on their TradingView on their phone. But what I've found out now is if you have a TradeOvate account, you can now sign into Mobile Ninja. So TradeOvate works, those credentials work for Mobile Ninja too. So you can use Ninja now on your phone to trade, and that's how I do the algo every day. So TradeOvate was just a connection to use TradingView or Mobile Ninja or whatever. So it is nice, but TradeOvate itself actually have software too. I've seen it, I messed with it a little bit, but I can't. It's been a little while, and I can't tell you a whole lot about it. But TradeOvate's actually software as well. I think TradeOvate works mobile too. I don't know. Somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it works mobile too. I just never really got into it much. You guys know I like Ninja better than all of it, honestly.
Yeah, I'm with you on that one, to be honest with you. After using the setup, NinjaTrader is just so simple. So simple.
Werner remembers when I got on Ninja in the very beginning, and I don't know, maybe you had the same struggle, Paul, I'm not sure, but when I first got into Ninja, it was such a pain, and I was like, man, this thing's such a pain. I don't know if I like this. It's too complicated, but once you figure it out, I'm not sure there's anything better out there. Ninja, I really like Ninja once you figure it out. It's really good software in my opinion.
I mean, what else out there would be anywhere near as simple as this? I mean, this is literally one click enter drag your stop loss and you're out. I'm trying to do a trade in this ridiculous thing, and you're having to get your stop losses, put them in manually on an actual form rather than just dragging. You know, it's a very easy way to lose a trade. Whereas Ninja trading is so simple, quick, fast. It's good for the Nasdaq because you can get in and out relatively quick as well if you're that way inclined.
Doesn't sound like any fun at all. I wouldn't want to manually, like I said, I haven't really used TradingView, so I don't know exactly how it works, but that does not sound like something I'd care for. Some people say Ninja is a dinosaur and bad platform. Okay, sure. Maybe it is. Maybe it's a dinosaur. Maybe the problem, Werner, and I'm not trying to say anything about the age of you, Paul and I, but maybe we're just better with dinosaurs. I don't know.
I'll tell you what it is, reality. All of these ones younger, they're expecting a super duper fancy interface. Whereas I was brought up from DOS through Windows 3.1 and Windows 95 and everything else. So to me, I like a simple, clean interface. Whereas everybody nowadays, especially young boys, they all seem to like these interfaces with 10,000 buttons and all this kind of carry on. Whereas they think then that this is actually dinosaur technology because it's literally one click and then you're on. The best crack is the people that are complaining about it are the same people that play Minecraft. It's like, you know, seriously, if you're complaining about this and you play Minecraft, fuck off. You're playing Lego and you click one mouse button. Come on, guys.
Brown says, I just want one button.
Yep, that's why I like Ninja.
Yep, win button. That's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say the win button. That's the one you need. Win.
Second cup, now I'm in the zone. All these patterns speaking in code. They don't know about this morning grind. Being sharp when others fall behind. Fuck that FOMO, I stay composed. Years of practice, that's how it goes. Every move calculated clean. This ain't luck, you know what I mean.
Coding on Ninja has been rough. It's really, because it looks pretty easy. Yeah, reverse the market button. Cowboy, I that's a loaded question. There was a time when I streamed absolutely every day. Yes, I try to stream every day now, but I have a baby on the way, very close. So I have been away like in 3 weeks. I'm having a baby, so therefore, it's been very sporadic here as of late. Like, I'm not going to be here tomorrow. I've got to go to an ultrasound. Yeah, thank you. Got a potato PC?
This has been a very busy week for you, Rel. I think this is the busiest week that I can remember.
Yeah, well, the problem is as we get closer, we got to do more. And now they're telling her that on this appointment tomorrow, we have to have the ultrasound, and then they have to hook her up to a machine, and we have to. She has to sit there for 20 minutes while it monitors everything, just because that's where we're at now. So.
Yes.
Cowboy, are you a member of the Discord? If so, the Discord, that they're there every single day because Paul is essentially there all the time. Everybody's, you know what I mean? Everybody's interacting there. So if you have Discord, if you don't, I get it. But I know so many people come on here and say, "Well, I don't have Discord." Yeah. I mean, it is what it is. But if you do have Discord, Discord you'll download? Okay. Well, if you download Discord, the link's in here. Actually, I'll drop the link.
You don't need to download anything. You can simply go to a web page and go to discord.com and log in that way.
Yeah, you don't have to download nothing, Cowboy. Paul's exactly right. You can go to discord.com and just set up an account. Just username and password. And then you don't have to download the app if you don't want to. It's completely up to you. If you want to download the app, obviously you can as well. But if you don't, you can then you don't have to download anything. There's the Discord link. You can join that Discord if you want. And these guys are here all the time. I'm live in the Discord right now. That's how Paul's talking. That's where you're seeing the messages come from. That's got the little Discord icon on it. Anything that's not coming from YouTube. And they are there all day. You know, most days they're there. So even though I'm absent off the live streams, they'll still be active in the Discord. So I would prefer, as we were talking about this morning, and Paul said as well, hoping that more people get on the Discord side and just run over there, because it makes it a lot easier for everybody when I'm not here, for sure. And obviously there's going to be a lot of time that I'm not here coming up, so I'd prefer everybody to try to migrate to Discord as much as they can. Help everybody out, in my opinion.
Yep.
I'll try that, Cowboy. See if it works. Like I said, if you need any help, no, we can help you through all the Discord. Discord's really easy. Everything's free, so we don't charge anywhere, guys, ever, for anything. So the Discord's no different. We open on both gold and in queue. Very nice, very nice.
I was some pump and gold yesterday.
Yeah, I think that.
Wow.
I think that was the government deciding they're reopening, and the dump we got on Dixie from that happening. Dixie dumped
Well,
down nice.
We did postulate that would happen. I mean, that was one of the conversations we were having over the last week or two.
Yeah, but do you know how horrible that is? Just saying, like, you know how bad that looks, that the dollar does better when the government's shut down than it does when the government reopens.
Yeah.
Is the government open now? Yeah, I believe it's reopened. I don't exactly know, but I think so. Warner struck the deal and all that. I think Trump signed it and everything, so I'm assuming that it's reopened now. I think it happened yesterday. I think that's kind of what it all was, where we got the pump on gold and the dump on Dixie, but I don't know. We kind of thought that was going to happen. We talked about it here. What, a week? Last week, I think. Might have been early this week. Either way, we talked about how gold was actually trading really, really well, and Dixie was actually strengthening with the government being shut down, and we were assuming that once the government opened back up that
That's what
so bad.
Second cup hitting different minds, eye clear. Watch these price points dance, appear and reappear like a jazz musician, reading between the lines, finding sweet spots where opportunity
Did he leave?
shines.
I don't know.
Keep it cool and steady, no need to rush. Let the market
Like he walked away.
feel that morning hush. Been studying patterns since you've been sleeping. Watching lines form art while knowledge I'm reaping. Strategy tight like a bebop groove. Calculated steps on when to make my move. Speed picks up, more intense delivery. Quick shifts coming, tempo change
Anyway,
fast.
yeah, Warner, that's what we were thinking, was that once the government opened back up, that Dixie would dump and
Market symphony playing just
gold should pump from that.
elevated focus clean. The
Did for the most part, but
This is art you're seeing.
So Crown, are you okay in the Discord, Crown? Max, did you try the web discord.com rather than the app? Yeah, are you okay with just Discord not being on the live? Are you going to be... You still going to show up, be active, all these great things if it's just in the Discord? Crown? The thing is, once Thanksgiving gets here, I'm going to be gone from Thanksgiving until the first of the year.
What date is Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving is the 27th, I believe.
What? When does the markets actually close for Christmas?
I'm not 100% sure on that, but CME closes. I don't know if it's a day before Christmas or right at Christmas, and then they actually close, I think, for a week or two. And a lot of the time, it's kind of stale too. I mean, we'll see how it is. And again, it doesn't mean that I'm not going to guarantee that I'm going to be here or not here. I have no idea what's going to be happening. I know that there's going to be some days that I'm going to be in the hospital for sure. And then I'm going to be spending a lot of my time helping wifey after, because the C-section, she's going to have a lot of help once we get back home as well. So that's going to be the thing. She's going to be down for probably 4 to 6 weeks. So that's why I'm trying to take that break.
Yeah.
It's a good thing that it's over the holidays. It makes it kind of easy because I'm not just being absent just in the middle of nowhere. A lot of it, there's not going to be nothing going on anyway. All right. Warner, see you in a bit. Oh, you're on the web app? The web, I guess it's not an app, but you're on the web and you still can't get into, you still can't join the live trading? That's kind of crazy.
Unusual.
Yeah, that is.
You're clicking on the right thing, the right invite, Max.
I just stopped by once in a few. Yeah, I know, Crown. I know. There he is. There you are, Max.
Hey, Max.
Maybe it works. Testing for Max. 1, 2, 3. Testing for Max.
Haven't seen you in a while, Max.
What's locked inside, but patience makes the difference between success and a wild ride. Take it slow, watch it form, just like
dumping and Dixie dumping, both at the same time. Wow.
Let it brew just like your morning cup.
There was a lot of earnings out yesterday, apparently, and that was driving the NQ and ES all over the place. Nvidia had starting to close a gap and all the usual trading stuff. But let's be honest with you, I don't know how. Nvidia, I didn't know this. Nvidia doesn't actually make chips. Did you know that?
Oh, I didn't know that. Huh.
They actually hold the intellectual property. They're the ones that does all the designing. They don't actually make the chips.
Oh, wow.
I know, I was surprised whenever I found that one out myself. So while I thought that they were vastly overvalued as it is, I'm telling you, man, the AI bubble has to burst. Because what they're doing is, I seen a documentary on it. They're basically sharing resources and buying stuff off other chip companies, off other AI companies. So it's making the sales and everything look really good, but all they're really doing is transferring assets between each other. So you give me 1 million chips and then you can take 1 million shares, etc., etc., etc. So there's no real wealth being generated by these companies. Nobody's willing to pay. Well, anyway, I'm not willing to pay for chat GPT or any of that garbage. I don't even use it.
See you later, cowboy.
Bye, cowboy.
So here's my morning lesson as I pour this cup for you. The market gives its gifts to those who know just what to do.
ES is taking a bit of a dump.
Yeah, everything seems to be.
I actually like days like this because what I've noticed is we get this big dump for the next hour or two, and it'll come down to a particular level, be it a VWAP, a previous all-time high, whatever it is, previous day's low from about 3 or 4 days ago, and then you'll get the reversal. So I've started waiting for the sort of afternoon, evening time, my time, before I start working with the NQ. Because she has been doing this dump practically every day, and then if you're on the right time, you can ride it all the way back up again.
Yeah. That makes sense.
Everybody's waiting for this big dump, and any time she drops down by 1,000 points, everybody thinks this is the beginning of the end. So literally every YouTuber is forecasting the end of the world, so I think it's starting to affect people.
Makes sense.
I see. So we have a gap on the NQ actually coming very close to being closed. All the way back to Friday the 7th. See here? And 4.
Some days green, some days red. Gotta keep a level head. Deep breath in, let it flow. This ain't no casino, yo. This is just not checkers, fam. Gotta think before you slam.
So right now. That's funny.
That's one level that I don't keep on my chart bump over is the weekly low. I actually didn't keep the weekly open on this either for some reason. It's only the gold that I keep the weekly open on. I'm going to start doing that now with the Nasdaq as well. Yep, she's going to fill that gap by the looks of it.
Oh, she there. Crazy.
You didn't see that video reality that I dropped about the top step and the numbers, about how many people pass and fail and all that stuff. You can get your head around that one.
I didn't see it.
Well, I'll give you a rough breakdown. 0.1% of 100,000 people actually make it to a live account. 0.1. 12% will actually pass and get defunded, and about 3 to 4% then will get more than 5 payouts, which you need to get a live account. And out of that, 3%, only 0.1% actually makes it. So for 100,000 people, and you know the numbers that they're giving you are well fudged, I'd say those numbers are even lower. It just shows you the amount of money that they're making, because everybody else fails. We'll be back in buying another eval, buy another eval, buy another eval. So those numbers, I'd say, are well skewed, because this is only the stuff they put up on their website. So it's just like
crazy.
I know, like I said, I knew that, we were talking about the top 2%. I think we need to revise that down to the 0.1%.
Absolutely unbelievable.
Yep.
$5K account worth it. But why would there's not even a 5K account? Yeah. You must be talking about 4X, and if you're asking me about 4X, Max, no, it's not worth it. I wouldn't buy it. Because they don't have no 5K accounts with futures. You don't get no 5K account. The smallest account they've got with futures is 25K. But you're going to have tons of deals here coming up. So how much is that? I mean, you can get a 50K account for like $30. Yep, holiday special sauces, exactly. There'll be all kinds of stuff coming up. You'll be able to have all kinds of special deals. I'm gonna try to keep them posted as much as I can, but it's gonna be tough. I'll try to keep wifey posting as much as we can, but with the deals, to try to let everybody know. If anybody else sees the deals, just post them if you see anything, just to keep everybody up on the sales if you can. If you see anything good, just post it in the chat, guys. Try to keep everybody up with it. Five tap. We're really getting nothing here, guys. She is just banging.
First rays break through my window pane. Coffee drips slow like a gentle rain. Numbers dance across my screen.
There's activation fees on some accounts. There's not on others. So some accounts have no activation fees. Like if you go with somebody like My Funded Futures, there's never no activation fees. Normally they have a sale. You can normally get in around $48 a month, something like that, for a 50K. No activation. It just depends. But just depends on what company you want to go with. Make sure that you're ready to pass before you go with a company like that, though, because normally you can get a better deal with some place that you do have to pay an activation fee with on a monthly basis. So therefore, you pay that until you're ready to actually pass, and then you go with a company, and then you could either go straight to funded if you want, right? Or you can go with somebody that doesn't have an activation fee. Completely up to you. I like the straight to funded myself.
Yeah, those straight to funded things are actually pretty spectacular. I remember you talking about them here a couple of weeks ago. I was very surprised that you could actually just simply do that. But it's like, yeah, if you're good enough and confident enough,
Yep.
it's a good way to avoid another month of trading. Because myself and Aiken were having this conversation, and he was saying, he passes evals all the time, and he goes like, why should I just not go for an actual funded one and just get a payout, and then use that money then to buy more accounts and just get better that way. So like, that's an excellent idea as well. He has passed right few evals, so his thought is why not, and then get money from whatever you get and then reinvest.
Gonna print another doji. Couple 30-minute doji.
In the gap now as well.
Actually doing something.
And the Dow is crashing down, and it looks like she's going to fill her gap too. Interesting.
Yeah. There it is. Alright. She's just banging around. Has anybody got any questions? I'm gonna have something to eat. Payment can be done with crypto. Yeah, on some of them they can, yes. Some of them they can. Depends on the company. Leeloo offers crypto payments.
So you said you're not here tomorrow, Reality?
Yeah, no, I'm not here tomorrow. Tomorrow we've got to do an ultrasound, and then they're going to hook wifey up to a machine for 20 minutes. They say it's something they do because she's older. So, and just monitor her and make sure she's good. And that's probably some of the reason that they're extra careful about everything as well. So,
yep.
I mean, we're only 3 weeks out, so here in 3 weeks, it seems like it flew by. I got to be honest with you, but
has the reality of the situation hit you yet?
I don't know. I keep thinking every day it has, and then every day it kind of is like, I don't know if it really has or not. But in 3 weeks, it's going to for sure.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. I will be here tomorrow. I had a very bad week. Well, a very bad week. I had a very busy week this week. I actually missed one or two. Well, I got here for the evening sessions, but a lot of shit going on in real life. So, but I will be here tomorrow. There's nothing planned. I have the calendar swept clear. What I do is I try and save all of the things that I have to do outside the house and try and get it all done in the one day. Just this week it didn't work out because there was that much stuff stored up to do. So I had to take a couple of days to get all the stuff sorted. But I will be here.
Yeah.
Where is weekly open actually? Gold.
Weekly open was 4,007.2.
2007. Why have I not got that on? 2007. Okay. See. That's a bit of a drop.
Yeah, that'd be a long ways if we get there. not going to say I don't assume it, but I kind of don't assume it. But I'm not going to say that because you know what happens when I say that.
Yeah, but the way things are going, I have to say I would tendency to agree with you, but
Yeah.
you never know. Everything keeps on crashing. That should actually pump gold up. So, yeah, it's an interesting time to be a trader.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yes.
I think that's a different kind of account. Honestly, I think that's some different kind of account. Max, I don't know, but I know they have some different kind of accounts now. I haven't even looked at them, but they didn't used to have a 5K account, so I think it's probably some kind of different account. I know a lot of these companies are offering accounts that are small account sizes that you get into really quick, and you only get payouts for X amount of time, and then the account closes. So that might be what lifetime payout is too. I'm not 100% sure. I've not seen a 5K account through MFF before, but like I said, I haven't kept up on it either, so I'm not sure. See you later, Crown. Have a good one, man. I appreciate you showing up. Back, Warner. Yeah, you're back, Warner. I'm about to head out, guys. I don't see much else. We just got dojis printing. Pretty boring. So I am going to jump off here. I smell bacon cooking.
Very nice. Must get something to eat myself, and I'll be back. Thank you very much as always, and I'll chat to all you guys tomorrow or later on this afternoon. I'll be, like I said, I'll be back here to continue on. We'll chat to you all soon.
Right, that works, and I appreciate you, Paul, as always, for showing up and doing all this. Everybody else that shows up every day, I appreciate all you guys too. If there's anything I can do to change anything, like I said, if you guys come up with any ideas, just let me know. I can work out whatever I need to for the time that I ain't going to be here. Appreciate each and every one of you for showing up. Have a great rest of your day, guys. And as always, stay consistent out there.
Cheers, guys.
Let's begin. Y'all move pieces random, I calculate precise. While you chase quick profits, I'm strategizing twice, 10 steps ahead. Your basic moves I can predict. This ain't no simple game, my method's scientific. Rapid calculations, market oscillations. You stuck on one move plans, I'm seeing combinations. Bank account elevation through smart navigation. While y'all keep hesitating, I'm accumulating. Check your mate, don't hate, this ain't debate. You move too late, I already sealed your fate. My mind's a supercomputer processing gains, while y'all still confused by simple price change. Learn, trade, win, that's the mission. Learn, trade, win, competition. Learn, trade, win, stay committed. Learn, trade, win, get it. Pawns advanced strategic, every move methodic. While y'all play checkers, I'm out here encyclopedic. Quick with the statistics, flowing algorithmic. Brain automatic, profit systematic. Fuck what you heard about fast cash and luck. I studied patterns till my vision got stuck. Now every chart I see reveals the truth. Market manipulation can't shake my groove. Queen takes bishop but controls the field. Knowledge is power, that's my strongest shield. Call me grandmaster of this trading floor, while y'all still learning what the game is for. Patience in motion, strategic devotion. Watch and learn, feel the burn. Learn, trade, win. Accelerate the pace, leave no trace. Your simple strategies I'll straight replace with complex calculations, market domination, pure dedication, no hesitation. Been in the lab while y'all been sleeping, studied the craft while y'all been creeping. Now watch me demonstrate perpetual check while your account balance hits the deck. Learn, trade, win. the mission. Learn, trade, win. Competition. Learn, trade, win. Stay committed. Learn, trade, win. That's the system. Checkmate. Game over. Level up. Game over. Learn, trade. Learn, trade. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn, yeah. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Started from the bottom with a phone in my hand. Everybody laughed when I said I had a plan. Small account vibes, but my mindset was grand. Now them same folks wanna know where I stand. Been up since 5, studying every line. While they waste time, I'm reading every sign. First few trades hit me like a brick wall, but I ain't give up, now I learn from every fall. You're wasting time, that's what my daddy said. Get a real job, man, I mess with my head. But I kept pushing, kept my focus tight. Now my account growing, future looking bright. Hey, learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. My time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Baby. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Red candles had me doubting everything. Green days came slow like a broken wing. But I studied hard, yeah, I paid my dues. Now I'm teaching others how to read the clues. Remember crying when I blew my first stack, but that loss taught me how to bounce back. Now I'm in my zone, reading every trend. Making moves that got my whole crew fed. You thought I was crazy, glued to these screens. Now look who's winning, living out these dreams. This ain't luck, baby, this is pure skill. Years of grinding up this market hill. They said I couldn't make it, said I should quit trading. Now look who's calculating, while they stay hating. Hey. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. They sleep on me now, but they gonna learn. Watch me turn these charts into what I earn. Learn, trade, win, that's the only way. Learn, trade, win, getting better every day. Learn, trade, win, that's my daily grind. Been patient with it, now it's my time. Watch and learn. I stay quiet, why they loud? Keep it cool, in the crowd. Watching charts, day and night. Taking notes, got my lane. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent moves make loud money. Lost it all back in May. Learned my rules, found my way. No emotions when I trade. Calculate every play, check the trends, read the signs, take my time. They wonder how I made it, but I know what it takes. Keep studying the patterns while everybody breaks. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make watch it grow in my zone. Charts on screen, everything moving clean. No distractions, clear mind. Perfect timing, by design. Silent moves make loud money. Silent moves make loud money. Keep it cool, stay focused, honey. Silent money. Yeah. Watch and learn. Silent moves. That's how we do it.
Yeah. You fuck that weak shit. I stay focused. Why they all quit? Let's go.
All day I grind, screen in my face, numbers align, set my own pace. Fuck what they say, I got my way. Most walk away, but I'm gon' stay. Quick with the clicks, mindful of tricks. Ain't no look shit, pure analytics. Watch how I move, call it precise. Ready to prove, bid it their price. Wait and strike, do it right. Learn the game, stack the game. Patient hunt, front to front. This my time, watch me climb. Fuck all the noise, clear out my head. Make the right choice, stack up this bread. Quick on the draw, but timing is key. Study the law of supply, yeah. D, charts tell the truth, data don't lie. Here's the proof, watch profits fly. Discipline tight, mind in the zone, do this shit right. I'm on throne.
Down, take a breath, every L just shows the test. Build it up, break it down, analyze without the stress. Then
back in attack, flow like a pro. Stay on the track, watch numbers grow. Cut through the shit, trust what I know. Win bit by bit, put on a show. Every move planned, nothing by chance. Take my stance, seize my advance. Quick with the wits, sharp as a blade, making hits. Getting paid, getting paid. Ring, 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 ring. Charts on my screen, mind in the zone. Studying patterns while I'm all alone. Fuck all the bullshit, this ain't no game. When I hit that trade, watch the profit rain. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Quick with the clicks, analysis tight. Market's moving, but I time it right. See that signal, I don't hesitate. Years of losses taught me how to navigate. Finger on the trigger, heart beating fast. Each trade I take, built from lessons past. Fucking with precision, watch how I flow. Red to green, baby, that's how we go. Charts telling stories, I read them clear. While amateurs panic, I persevere. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Community strong, we share what we know. Each trade we take helps the other one grow. Fuck the FOMO, we stay calculated. Patient assassins, highly rated. Break down resistance, support won't bend. Technical mastery's where we transcend. Keep it controlled, no emotional trades. That's how the real fucking money gets made. Discord buzzing, knowledge flowing free. Real-time updates from LTW family.
Chart patterns forming, we spot them quick. Experience taught us which ones to pick. Slow it down, let me tell you something clear. Every loss I took brought me right here. Built my strategy through blood and tears. Now I execute without any fears. Learn, trade, win, that's the fucking way. Stack them profits every single day. Learn, trade, win, ain't no time to waste. Discord familiar, got my back, we stay great. Time to accelerate, watch how I close. Each trade I take, peeling verbose. Rapid execution, precision sharp. Like a fucking sniper in the dark. No hesitation when I see the sign. Years of practice got my skills refined. Community backing every move I make. That's why this shit isn't carts till they knew my name. This ain't luck, this is pure damn skill. Watch how we fucking climb up this hill. Learn, trade, motherfucking win. That's the mindset that we're always in. Discord army, we don't ever quit. Making history with every hit.